Hello everyone, welcome to our TV show. Thank you so much for watching. We are from Group 5 of Industrial Biotechnology. Let me introduce myself first. My name is EUNICE, a first year student from UNP. And I will also be the MC today. The main topic that we have to discuss today is the opportunity and the challenges that are faced by industrial biotechnology now. So before we touch into the industrial biotechnology, let me show you the four main categories in biotechnology. Biotechnology can be categorized into four by color. The first color is white, which is industrial biotechnology. The second one is green, agricultural biotechnology. The third one is red, healthcare biotechnology. And the last one is blue, aquatic biotechnology. So what is industrial biotechnology? Industrial biotechnology can be simply defined as the explanation of enzymes, microorganisms, and plants to produce energy, industrial chemicals, and consumer goods. It's an industrial paradigm based on the expectation that renewable plant-derived carbohydrates, lipids, and other compounds can display a significant fraction of petroleum and other fossil fuels that are currently the raw material and energy basis of modern industrial societies. So, what is the objective of industrial biotechnology? The objective is to develop the biotechnology approach that will yield green industrial processes that are cost-effective and sustainable. Let us welcome my group members, HANIE and IZZATI, to talk about the opportunities in industrial biotechnology. Welcome, HANIE and IZZATI.
Hi, my name is NORAISYAH BINTI RAZAK and I'm a first year student in UMP. Today I would like to talk about the opportunity in biotechnology. Advanced technology and products of biotechnology give many advantages in our life. Thus, it opens more career prospects or job opportunities among youngsters as it is providing an ample opportunities for those who want to explore the new and modern frontiers of science. The applications of biotechnology is vast as it caters to various industrial sectors like food, textile, pharmaceutical, agriculture, biofuels, domestication of animals, cosmetic, and many more. Now, we can take a look at a video about what positions are the best for biotechnologies. So how did you guys interested in becoming one of the biotechnologists? Very interesting, isn't it? Okay, now I would like to share what biotechnology can do. Biotechnology is used to produce pharmaceutical products. Pharmaceutical biotechnology is relatively new and growing field in which the principles of biotechnology are applied to development of drugs. A majority of therapeutic drugs in the current market are bioformulation, such as antibodies, nucleic acid products, vaccine, and medicine to treat numerous diseases. Biotechnology also helps the pharmaceutical industry to develop new products, new process, method and service, and improve the existing one. I would like to take human insulin as one example of pharmaceutical biotechnology that produced through genetic engineering by using recombinant DNA technology to be used to treat diabetes patients. Let's watch a video on how human insulin are produced.
DNA molecule is a complex structure with histone proteins. The enzyme protease breaks up histone proteins into amino acids, thus separating them from the double-stranded DNA. The location of the gene on DNA that enables insulin production is determined. This area should be cut and separated from the DNA. One of the restriction enzymes unwinds the double-stranded DNA. The other one cuts out the gene that encodes for the production of insulin from DNA in a way to produce sticky ends. This piece is attached to the previously cut bacterium plasmid by an enzyme with the help of DNA ligase, and thus recombinant plasmid is produced. This recombinant plasmid that now carries the insulin is then transferred to Escherichia coli bacterium. The bacterium multiplies by binary fission repeatedly. All of the bacteria produced carry the gene that is responsible for the production of insulin. The recombinant plasmid, which has the gene that enables the production of insulin in the bacterium, is isolated and transferred to the cells in human pancreas, which cannot fulfill their duty of producing insulin. After this procedure, the cells with transferred genes start producing insulin again. Hence, diabetes patients are treated.
Human insulin that produced in biotechnologically also give many advantages, such as less allergic reaction occur in diabetic, large quantity can be produced at the same time, and relatively pure as purification techniques are performed after it is made. In addition, it can reduce the death rate due to diabetes. So we agree that there are many opportunities for us to gain through biotechnology. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is NORAISYAH MASLIYANA binti BAKRI, and I will talk about the others opportunity of biotechnology. First of all, biotechnology has permitted scientists to produce fruits and vegetables with better shelf life and taste in the food production. Genetically modified food is synthesized using biotechnological tools. Other than that, modern biotechnology is also called as genetic engineering, genetic modification, or transgenic technology. In this technology, nuclear DNA is modified through insertion of genes of interest, or known as gene encoding desired trait. This modified DNA is called as recombinant DNA. When recombinant DNA expressed, it encodes desired product. This technology, when implemented to enhance food qualities or yield, is called as food technology. Genetically modified crops that have enhanced taste include the following: seedless watermelons, cherries, tomatoes, eggplant, and pepper. In this removal of seeds, the sweetness from the above food. With the use of biotechnology, modification and fermentation pathway is done to enhance the aroma inflow. So, to more understand, let's rewatch the video. from the video we watched just now, it showed the many advantages of biotechnology in food production. With the application of biotechnology, there are more than 100 commercial aroma chemicals and flavors which are derived through the utilization of conservative bioengineering technology. The flavors can be selected through the selection for overproduce. Next, biotechnology can be used to address the problem in all areas of agriculture production and processing. These include the plant breeding to raise and stabilize the yields. Can improve the resistance to pests, disease, and abiotic stresses such as drought and cold, and to enhance the nutritional contents of foods. Biotechnology is being to use the developed to low-cost disease-free planting materials for crops such as cassava, banana, and potato, and is creating new tools for the diagnosis and treatment of plants and animal disease for the measurement and conservation of genetic resource. Other than that, biotechnology is being used to speed up of the breeding programs for plants, livestock, and fish, and to extend the range of threats that can be addressed. Animal feeds and feeding practice are being changed by biotechnology to improve animal nutrition and to reduce environmental waste. Biotechnology is used in diagnostic and for the production of vaccine against animal disease. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Hani and Izzati, for your interesting sharings. It seems there are many opportunities that offer to industrial biotechnology. So let us see how does the industrial biotechnology affect our daily life. Besides opportunities, industrial biotechnology also face some challenges in this field decades. Now, we invite my group members, Lee Chong-un, to share her opinions.
Hi everyone, my name is Lee Chin-un. You all can call me Carol. Today I would like to share a topic related to the challenges of biotechnology. First, I would like to talk about the challenges in marketing a new product. Time is a major obstacle for the invention of new product from basic concept. The time taken for an idea to be proved, prototyped, and developed into a beneficial invention also determine the success of the product. There are multiple competitor existing in the market. The market is the influencer of the success of the product. The product should satisfy the needs of the customer and meets current needs of technology. In fact, technology skills set determine the quality of the product. Therefore, skill required to study and develop a new product is important. Second, I would like to talk about the product development. The problem is developing new product is expensive and time consuming. With few guarantee new product will succeed. It is a scary prospect for the company dumping millions of dollars into their newest innovation. So now I will share a YouTube video. The video is showing a journey of new medicine. As you can see, it really needs time and investment in development of a new medicine. Next, biotech company normally gets patent protection for their product, giving them market lead time will they recover their expenses for research and development. Once the patent protection period expired, they have a more established market position than their competitor. However, investors need to weigh the potential for humongous returns that these firms offer against a massive risk, which are in abundant. Firstly, there is a lengthy period of development when the money is spent in R&D, with the only hope that they will launch a successful product. And biotech companies have to get approval for their drugs from the FDA so that they can sell it in the market, which is an onerous and lengthy process. There are a whole series of trials along with human testing, with the FDA keeping a close watch at every stage. And sometimes during the course of this trial, the product may turn out to be not be a viable option. The entire process could take as long as a decade, during which the firm is not making any profit on the product. Furthermore, there could be a major technological changes during the R&D phase. They could have a negative impact of the product. And third, I would like to share about the challenges related to the regulatory delay. The spread of the coronavirus pandemic brought most of the world to a screaming halt, with many businesses having been forced to close. A result of this is a disruption to major clinical trials and research work on drugs and vaccines for other life-threatening diseases like cancer, HIV, autoimmune disease, and so on. There are collateral delays, and the biotech industry is now challenges with not ignoring existing health issues while still focusing on developing a solution for the ongoing pandemic. So that's all of my opinions on the challenges of biotechnology. Thank you.
Thank you, Carol, for your interesting sharings and videos. Now, it's my turn to share my opinion on the challenge that faced by industrial biotechnology, which is societal concerns. The field of biotechnology is rapidly changing and fast-paced. Often, the rate at which new technologies are developed exceeds that of regulatory adaptation and change, which create major biotech issues. These threats can be seen in those developments that have a direct impact on human life through what we eat, drinks, and the drugs we take. Many regulators and scientists are aware of these dissociations. Hence, the rules for issues like patenting genetic inventions, new drug developments, and stem cell research are constantly changing. The recent development of genomics and techniques for creating artificial genes present serious threats to humans and the environment in general. There are some societal concerns that can be discussed in industrial biotechnology. Firstly, environmental harm. This concern is widely cited by those against genetically modified organisms, or we can call it GMOs. Secondly is production or laboratory safety. It is hard to safeguard oneself if he is unaware of what he is working with. There are some technologies, normally non-biologicals, that create commercial production lines, even before they are tested for safety. Another concern is with regard to the safety of technicians in a laboratory, even under protected conditions, especially when working with unidentified virulent organisms. And for the last, I think it's the most serious issue that we have to discuss in societal concerns, which is bioterrorism. A dramatically heavy number of biological toxins and infectious organisms could be used to attack animals, humans, and plants. The most variable biothreats for human roams in all branches of microbial kingdoms, which includes bacteria, viruses, toxins, and fungi. After the discussion, we have found that many challenges faced by industrial biotechnology now, but we believe that challenges bring us a new way. So, let us see the video about the sustainability of industrial biotechnology. Alright, that's all from our group. Hopefully everyone will like our TV show. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!